Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Landon coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Friday, February 2nd, 2018. It's Groundhog Day, and he predicted 6 more weeks of winter. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 4 degrees. Later today, we're expecting a high of 21 and a low of 16, with sunny skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Eleanor, Addie.
I
pledge allegiance to the flag
of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. In sports, last night the Blackhawks lost to the Vancouver Canucks by a score of 4-2. There are no clubs meeting today. Today's announcements are, today during your lunchtime is the 6th grade ice cream treat fundraiser. Ice cream treats will be available for $1 with your signed permission slip. The STEM Fair Committee would like to remind any participants to turn in your proposals by next Friday. Now a message from Mr. Schmelzer and Miss Ankrum.
Thank you, Landon. Good morning, Hoover staff and students. Yeah, I'm trying to get my
Apron on?
apron, I guess we call this, right? Yeah. Good morning. How's everybody today? Hopefully great. Good morning, Mrs. Ankrum. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Good.
Happy Groundhog's Day.
Happy, is it Groundhog's Day?
Yeah, it's Groundhog's Day.
Oh.
And he saw his shadow. So that means what?
6 more weeks of winter.
6 more weeks of winter. It's also National Wear Red Day. Apparently neither of us got that memo.
Didn't get it.
It's also National Wetlands Day. So celebrate the wetlands.
Don't say anything else, because we've got a good one.
It's also,
No.
just kidding. What's new?
Oh, nothing.
Nothing? So what do you want to do first? I know we've got a lot on the agenda.
All right, let's do our teachers who have been framed. Happy Friday, everybody. We have Mrs. Budney. Some nice words to describe her are sweet, calm, creative, friendly, kind, hardworking, calm, Budney, and prepared.
All right, and I have Mrs. Franz. We have friendly, collaborative, positive, dedicated, and compassionate.
Very nice. And then we have Miss DeSalvo, who is caring, enthusiastic, cheerful, sweet, fun, hardworking, a friend, talented, smart, and skilled.
All right, I'm going to give that back to you.
Okay.
Now what?
Let's do the egg.
Eggs? All right. We're going to pull some Herbie high fives.
Well, this is a lot more full than last week, so nice job. I have the primary egg.
All right.
Here we go.
I have Yana in 203.
I have Mackenzie in
It's like 911.
911.
I don't know what that is.
I don't either.
It's probably
Oh,
119.
maybe
yeah,
119.
there we go. I have Ashvi in 204.
Yusha in 110.
Trying to get these out. My hands
Sure.
are still cold.
Ramir in 104 or 109.
We have, looks like Anaya in 203.
Brandon in 113.
Thomas in 205.
Oh, I got Brandon in 113 again. Okay, I gotta mix this up.
Arohi in 207.
Charlie in 110.
Abraham in 206.
Anu in 107.
Ooh, Anaya again. And then we've got Brandon in 203. Did you already call Brandon in 203?
No, Brandon 113. so
Brandon
you're
in
good.
203.
Romar? Oh, Ramir in 109.
For some reason, my fingers just will not
Yeah.
work. Oh, look, we got Ashby again.
Aman in 115.
Looks like, I can't read that one. Sai in 206.
Yeah. Evan in 105.
That's a repeat.
Brooklyn in
We
107.
got Brandon again. Look, we've got Leslie in 204.
Amelia in 112.
Mariella in 204.
Dominic in 214.
Edith in 119. We're just pulling them all
Let's
today.
just go. Brooklyn again in
That's a
107.
repeat.
Brooklyn again in 107.
All right, last one for
I'm
me.
mixing it.
We're getting a lot of repeats. Riley in 206.
Last 12 for me, graded in 114. Just kidding. You're not laughing at my joke.
I'm waiting.
It was a joke, so I'm not really pulling 12 more. Thank you. That would be great.
I like what you did with your hair today.
Thank you.
Those, what do we call those? Dealy boppers or?
Yeah, that works.
Did you get new highlights?
Yeah, I did. They're orange.
They no, I'm serious.
Yeah, a long time ago. Thanks for
Oh,
noticing.
Just noticing.
Yeah.
Well, they are kind of orange. All right, go
They're
ahead.
not
Oh,
orange.
they're caramel.
Caramel. Yeah, caramel. It's called balayage.
Okay, I'm not gonna argue with that one.
Yeah, you should
Yeah, I've
try
got some
it.
highlights here too. They're called
Yeah.
gray.
White,
White? I don't care.
whitish gray.
I'm good with that.
Yeah. Okay.
All
Yeah,
right.
just own it.
I'm smincing some great winners here.
I am too. Here we go.
I'll let you start.
Ananya in 109.
All right, we've got Brooklyn in 211,
Adam in 211.
Megan in 212,
Lily in 204.
Eric in 212,
Ryan in 204.
Unchung in 116,
Madeline in 116.
Nate in 116,
Michelle in 114.
Michelle,
Michelle. That's what I said.
Claire in 113,
Miguel in 109.
Sydney in 101,
Antonio.
with no room. So Antonio R.
There
All
we
right,
go.
I've got Charlie in 110,
AJ in 206.
Ahmed in 107.
And that's it. And just wait till announcements are over before you go get your Spencel's, please.
Carmel, huh?
Caramel,
Nice.
not to be confused
All right.
with white.
Yes, yes, you've made that quite clear. Come on in, girls.
Please come on in front to sing the song.
Right there. Scoot over a little bit
Here.
to your right.
Over here.
This way. Scoot over this way.
This way.
This way there. There you go.
There you go.
Yep, perfect.
Great.
All right.
Right.
Now you can see everybody.
Up with Hoover, they love us wherever we go. Up with Hoover, it's the greatest school we know. We work together, we learn together, we're tops in every way. We know that our school is the best school. Hoover, Hoover, hooray. We know that our school is the best school. Hoover, Hoover, hooray, hooray.
Is that a JoJo bow?
Yeah.
Nice. I recognize that. Have a great day or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Smelser and Mrs. Ankrum.
You're welcome, Landon.
Friday's fact is, it's Tater Tot Day. It's an entire day devoted to these yummy bites of potato goodness. When you think about these tiny rectangular bits of shredded potato, does your stomach just give a little dance of excitement? Baked, mashed, fried, or shredded, there really isn't a wrong way to serve a potato. But one of the most fun is the tater tot. Plain with a dab of ketchup, or served under a blanket of chili and cheese. The options are without end. Happy Tater Tot Day! That's all for today. This week's Pick broadcast has been brought to you by the Bubbly Buffalo production team. Have a Never Give Up Friday!